Hello guys, this is Teacher Caleb on YouTube. For the new subscribers, thank you guys for your support. For those incoming subscribers, I still say thank you guys. Please keep on subscribing to my channel, watching my videos, and even giving that like button. Okay, guys, today I want to answer this question that one of my follower, one of my subscribers, asked me that why do you love science? There are so many reasons that makes me to love science, and one of them is that I can say science is all over. What surrounds us is all about science. Let me start talking about with the air that we breathe and the food that we eat. For example, the air that we breathe goes through our body through the breathing system. And when that air reaches the air sacs, it's being dissolved into the red blood cells and now it's being transported to the rest part of the body. Now, have you ever asked yourself, where is this oxygen going? What's the work of oxygen in your body? Yeah, you are taking it, it's helped to support life. How does it support life? That's the question that I want us to answer today. Then another thing, why do we eat food? To sustain us, to make us strong. But how? In this case, we are saying we eat food to get energy. But do all food give us energy? Not at all. Now, in this case, the food that we eat goes through our body through the digestive system. Now, after digestion, this food is being also absorbed through our bodies in the form of glucose. Now, this food is in our body in form of glucose, and also oxygen is in our body in form of oxyhemoglobin being carried by the red blood cells. In this scenario here, oxygen and during that movement, transportation of oxygen throughout the body, this oxygen will reach a point where it will meet with glucose. When this glucose combines now with oxygen, it produces a product that all of us somehow we have never asked yourself, where is this product coming from? And this product is carbon dioxide. Now, when you take glucose plus oxygen, we get carbon dioxide and water. But now water sometimes is being released out in form of urine, or when you sweat you release water, but not all the water that is being generated from the food goes out. All other some of the water will be recycled to our body. But now the carbon dioxide, which is a waste product or byproduct, can never be used in any part of our body. That's why we release it out, and we release it out. And when we release it out, we say we take in oxygen. That's what we know, and we breathe out carbon dioxide. But we don't know how is this carbon dioxide coming from. This carbon dioxide comes from the food that we eat. This carbon dioxide combines with the oxygen and forms what? And for in food that we eat, we have carbohydrates, and the carbohydrates, it means we have an element called carbon. So when this carbon combines with the oxygen that we take in our bloodstreams, it forms carbon dioxide and water. Now, carbon dioxide is the product that we release out, and oxygen is the main substance that we take in. In that case, that's why we say that when you take in oxygen, oxygen support life. The same case, can water also support life? Yes, water also support life because 70% of our body is full of water, and this water is in blood plasma. So when the blood plasma flows in our body, it carries water, nutrients, minerals, so many things, even waste product like urea. So that's why when we sweat, we release it. We release our body release sweat, but that sweat doesn't contain only water; it contains also urea. That's why I feel like I love science, because science is something that I can prove, something that I can work on and get the correct answer immediately by using what I have at hand. Because when I have food, when I take food, after eating food, I breathe in oxygen, and that oxygen gets through my body either through the mouth or through the nose. And when it gets into our body, it goes to the air sacs. After the air sacs, because there is high concentration in the air sacs, this oxygen will do what? Uh, will dissolve in the red blood cells, because there's a thin layer of capillaries which carries oxygen to the red blood cells, and then now the red blood cells transport what? transport that oxygen in form of hemoglobin. Now, this is where the term called aerobic respiration come in. What's aerobic respiration? This is a type of respiration that uses oxygen, because when you take glucose plus oxygen, you get carbon dioxide and water. So, um, in brief, guys, I love I love teaching science. I love science in general, because even this clothes that I'm wearing in is from science. How? We'll answer that later. Thank you, guys.